social scientist. This is teacher April. Oh, and welcome to my vlog. As part of my vlog, I would like to feature the impact of blacksmith shop and quarrying in our area. How does it affect our environment and the lives of the people here in our community? So, let's get this started.
This is our community. This is Barangay Bato, Toril, Davao City, Philippines. Looks like a peaceful and safe place to live in. We have lived here since 2001 with only 4 neighbors in the area back then, rich with childhood memories, but due to civilization and population growth, people tend to buy or rent some lots that are named after from different persons. So the area that somehow was a peaceful place to live in became an uncomfortable place due to noise, land, and air pollution. Why is that so? Let's check it out. In our area, a blacksmith operates from Monday to Sunday till morning to evening, forging and sharpening knives and dagger. As they claim, they have business permit, but do they even know the certain requirements for you to legally operate in this kind of business? Here is a testimony from a resident. To sum up, the main problem of this business is the waste and sanitation, fire and health permits, location in a residential area close to neighborhood, and the burning of coal, metal, wood, and rubber that leads air and soil pollution, added to the fact of risking the health of the residents in the area. Another environmental issue that is also concerning in our community is the quarrying of rocks. This is caused by new housing, roads, infrastructures, and business-related development and construction that led to excessive need of resources. Here is an interview from one of the barangay officials in Barangay Bato, which is in our community, and one from the DENR, Region 11.
Una naman tayo mga issues regarding sa infrastructure, pero as of now na may mga tubagod ang city government although na nga ato akong matagaan og solusyon. Kwarta to sa barangay nga naga-cutting sila sa trees, kanya wala pay makita nato nga walay puli nga tree planting. Isa pod na nga to ang gitan-aw sa ato sa environment, pero so far ang katong naatay mga areas na mga gitawag nato og kana bitawng mga restricted areas.
Yes, ma'am.
Na dili nato siya pwede laptan. So far okay pa man pud siya, pero tungod pud sa pandemic karon na dili gid nato mapugnan ang mga tao nga dinhaan na sila mangutaog mga sources para naa sila koy maibaligya, na sila mapakuan nga para makapalit pud og. So isa na nato nga mga nato ba nato na problema sa barangay.
Natin pa ng build na kuwan pang build president PP, di ba? Kay Art Pati. So, nag-record na talaga ng mga building materials, and that includes sand and gravel. Pati mga earthfill ginagamit na to. So, kinahanglan ito og daghang source which is bata.
It's totally cool to have a livelihood and business, but never disregard the fact that the end do not justify the means. To simply put, one should not act immorally or unethically in the process of doing good. No matter what we are up to our livelihood, it must not step on or destroy our environment, for the earth can live without humans. It can thrive and survive, but humans without nature is a dilemma. So always remember that we are all responsible for what is the end result of our world. Our community is a reflection of who we are, and our world is a reflection of humanity. This is Teacher Ab speaking. There's always a little scientist inside you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment down below for some suggestions and other videos that we may produce. Go green and stay environmentalist. Bye!